Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research using the strategy called storefront stalking. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's a video for today. And on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to look for products, right? By looking at other people's stores. So you start with opening up a product that you've sold in the past. So this one is a good example. Um, and then from here, you go on your seller imp. You go to the bottom of your page, and then you go to offers right here. And then I would pick a product, not a product. I'm sorry, a seller with 100 ratings or less. And the reason why I'm picking a seller with 100 ratings or less is because they're most likely doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage like us, right? So for this one, I would pick this seller. And then what you would do is you would open up the seller's store, right? And then I would go through the seller's products one by one. So let's start with this one right here. And then I would pick a product that you like. So for example, this one I like. It's a coffee maker machine. And then I would click the Amazon product page right there, and then click on Google Shopping right there. And then what I like to do is I like to look for the maximum cost, right, of the product. And that's because it's going to give me an easier way to narrow down my search. Because as you guys can see here, right, there's so many products out here. So I would type in my maximum cost here on Google Shopping. So it's 51.29, I think. Yeah, 51.59, right? Then apply. It's right there. And then now we have to find the exact same product. So Mr. Coffee, 12 cup programmable coffee maker. Um, it's the one. Man, there's so many of them though. I think this is the one. Yeah, now we have to really double check. Yeah, this is not it. I think this is it. The problem is, let's see. Yeah, I think we found it right there. So 44.99. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh, shipping's $22 though. What the? So we found it, but the problem with this is that the shipping is $22. So skip that. This one should work. $54.99. I think it should be good. Okay. Close this one. So 12 cup coffee maker. Okay. So $54.99. Yeah, I mean this one is good. I think we found it. So just double check if they really match. Yeah, I think it's the exact same product. Yeah, this is it. This is the product. And it's giving you a 12% ROI, not the best, but it's a high ticket product. So it's giving you at least $6.92 profit. Sales per month is not the best. It's at 12 sales a month. Let's see the competition. I mean, the competition is okay. I mean, it's not the best. It's starting off at a negative ROI. So this might not be a good buy, honestly. But at least you found the product, right? So there's that. And then from here we move on to the next product. Let's see, try this one. So another tip here, I actually like to look for products with a maximum cost here of at least $10, just because it gives me enough margin, right? And it's just an easier search also. Okay, this one, the maximum cost is 1954. So again, you go to Google Shopping and you plug in 1954 here. Apply. Let's see. I don't think I see it. Okay, so let's skip right away. This one's another high ticket product. Let's see if this is gonna work. So maximum cost is $42.24. 42. I don't think it's gonna work though, honestly. 24. Apply. So 5-piece, right? Joseph, 5-piece, 4-piece, 5-piece. This could be it for Macy's. Elevate Fusion, 5-piece, silicone, utensil set. So Rakuten also is also giving you a 12% cashback right there. So that's 40. Should be good. Plus 12% cashback, right? So I would add it here. So I mean, there's no 12% here, but I would add 10%. Yeah, this is a product. I mean, it's pretty good, except that sales per month is 15, right? Amazon's on the listing. Also, there's only 3 sellers here, or 2 other sellers. Or I'm sorry, like 3 sellers. The problem here, though, is that Amazon, if you look here on their buy box analysis, right, Amazon is taking up all the sales, 100% of the sales. So this is not a good product. But hey, we found a product, right, using the strategy that I'm talking about. So there's a whole point in the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.